Alright, so I'm working on the yard machine and I got the deck off for cleaning. You clean them because if you don't, it'll saw away at the edge of your blades. I'll see if I can flip this over. What happens is the grass builds up along here, and there was quite a bit over here too. And then it actually saws down the edge of the blades, and then pretty soon you have a gap between the two. That's pretty close right now. Now you can see there when they go by, that's pretty close. Those are new blades we put on last year, but I want to make sure that they don't get worn out right away, because that's what happens when you build up your stuff here, cuts away the edge of this, then you have a big gap, and you can see right now that they're still doing good. It hasn't been getting eaten off there. Now these you could probably just sharpen, but I'm not worried about that. But I guess I could hit that with the grinder. Maybe I will do that yet before I put it on. And all it is to hold the deck up is just a bunch of these pins. The bolts are for this. These are from the other side. Try to keep everything where it should go back. And then you just take your hammer and the punch there. And what I did with that is just punch that over, and then you can drop the deck. I think there was a couple other I might have had to, but had to use the punch on, but most of them I could just take off by hand. Just like pull these out pretty easy, but sometimes you might have to use a punch on them. So that's what I'm doing with the yard machine. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.